When we think about intelligent extraterrestrial life, the biggest question is, how would we communicate with them? If a highly intelligent alien species were to receive a message from Earth, would they be able to understand it? In 1972, when NASA launched Pioneer 10, they faced the same question. They attached a plate to the spacecraft, a golden aluminum plate with a message for any alien civilization that might come across it. But how do you design a message for beings whose language, culture, and perception of reality are completely unknown? Carl Sagan and Frank Drake, two of the most well-known scientists involved in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, created this message. The plate features a diagram at the top that shows a group of 14 pulsars, neutron stars that emit radio waves at precise intervals, along with their frequencies. The idea was that any intelligent alien could use this map to locate our solar system in the galaxy. Below the pulsar map, there's a representation of the hydrogen atom in its two lowest energy states. Since hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe, it was chosen as a universal reference point. To the right of the plate, a silhouette of the spacecraft is drawn, with a man and a woman standing beside it. The man is shown raising his hand in greeting. Some have criticized this depiction, noting that it assumes aliens would recognize a raised hand as a friendly gesture. The man's stance suggests movement, while the woman's does not, leading to debate over the portrayal of gender roles. At the bottom of the plate, our solar system is depicted, with the planets arranged in order from the Sun. An arrow points to the third planet, Earth, indicating our home. The idea was to provide a basic but meaningful introduction to humanity. However, this plate alone wouldn't reveal much to an alien species. Recognizing the limitations of the Pioneer message, NASA created a more detailed interstellar message for the Voyager spacecraft, which were launched in 1977. Instead of a simple plate, the Voyagers carried a 12-inch gold-plated copper disc known as the Golden Record. This record was designed to be a more comprehensive message from humanity. The Golden Record contains 4 sections. The first section, Scenes from Earth, includes 115 images and diagrams covering various aspects of our planet, from scientific concepts to photos of landscapes, human anatomy, and cultural landmarks. The second section, Greetings from Earth, features spoken greetings in 55 languages, as well as written messages from then U.S. President Jimmy Carter and UN Secretary General Kurt Waldheim. The third section, Music from Earth, contains 28 musical recordings spanning different cultures and historical periods. Finally, the fourth section, Sounds of Earth, features 21 audio recordings of natural sounds, human activities, and mechanical noises, like the sound of a heartbeat, laughter, and a train. But there's a challenge. How would aliens know how to play the record? NASA provided instructions, but not in any human language. Instead, the instructions were depicted as diagrams on the record's cover. The problem? These diagrams are so complex that even most humans today would struggle to understand them. They show how to operate the phonograph, how to extract images from the encoded audio signals, and even how to interpret the information. One of the most fascinating aspects of the record is how the images were stored. In 1977, there was no digital format like JPEG, and the computers on board the Voyager spacecraft had only 69 kilobytes of memory. To get around this limitation, NASA converted image data into audio waveforms, storing the pictures as sounds. If an alien species wanted to see these images, they would have to reverse engineer this process and convert the audio signals back into images. The instructions for this are also included. But would an alien civilization be able to figure it out? If they succeed, they would see the first image, a simple black and white calibration circle, confirming that the decoding was done correctly. After that, they would find images illustrating basic scientific concepts, the composition of Earth's atmosphere, and even DNA structures. They would see pictures of humans, cultural sites like the Taj Mahal and the Great Wall of China, and various aspects of daily life. However, the record omits any depiction of war, violence, or conflict, presenting an idealized version of humanity. Carl Sagan explained this choice in his 1978 book, Murmurs of Earth, The Voyager Interstellar Record, emphasizing that the goal was to show humanity at its best. But will any extraterrestrial species ever come across these messages? And even if they do, will they be able to decode them? Right now, Voyager 1 is traveling through interstellar space at a speed of 61,198 kilometers per hour. It is about 25 billion kilometers from Earth. However, its power supply is running low, and scientists estimate that by 2025, it will be completely out of power, ending our ability to communicate with it. But the golden record itself will last for billions of years, drifting through the vastness of space, a time capsule from Earth waiting to be found. What do you think? Could an alien civilization ever decode this message? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this, I've made another video about the mysteries of Area 51. Click here to watch it. Thank you for watching.